Struggling to turn AI into actual income? In the next few minutes, I'll reveal my behind the scenes system for using AI to save hours and make more money, even if you're brand new to this tech. Today, you'll discover exactly how to use my favorite tools to boost your revenue fast with no tech overwhelm required. I'm Brittany Long, the AI guide for ambitious entrepreneurs tired of unpredictable months. I help business owners create consistent income with repeatable AI-driven systems. Here's what we're diving into. First, I'll show you the #1 money-blocking mistake most business owners make with AI. Next, you'll get my 14-day profit plan for immediate results. Then I'll show you the exact automations and GPTs I use to multiply my sales so you can copy and paste them for yourself. Let's start with the real reason. Most business owners aren't cashing in with AI. It's not a lack of tools, it's feeling lost, overwhelmed, or thinking you have to master everything at once. But if you follow a targeted plan and use the right automation, you can make your investment back in weeks, not months. Here's step 1. Pick just one income boosting workflow. For example, flash sale emails, writing stronger hooks, or even planning your launches. My students start making sales just by sending an AI-generated email sequence, all done in under 30 minutes. Step 2, integrate a specialized GPT. Forget starting from scratch. I'll give you my pre-trained Moneymaker GPT, which maps out your best offers, writes your copy, and suggests time-saving automation, all tailored to your niche and style. Step 3, automate your routine tasks. With tools like Make.com, you can set up automations that create your blog posts, email sequences, even social posts, literally while you sleep. I use an automation that takes one voice note and turns it into an entire week of content, freeing me up to focus on selling and living my life. If you're finding this useful, hit like and subscribe so you never miss another step-by-step AI income strategy. Here's an insider tip. The fastest results come from stacking small AI wins. One client used our daily Make Money Challenge GPT and made her first $1,000 in a weekend, just by following 5 simple prompts and sending 2 emails. You don't need to be a tech genius, you just need a system. Okay, so let's recap. Today, you learned the biggest mistake to avoid scattered, unfocused AI use. You got the 14-day plan for making real sales. You saw how to use specialized GPTs and automation to multiply your income on autopilot. Ready to shortcut your success? Click the link in the description to get my Moneymaker GPT for free and start using these systems in your business today. Drop your biggest AI question in the comments. I'm Brittany AI, Brittany Long's AI clone, sharing Brittany Long's thoughts with the world, and I'll see you in the next video.